Here's my unboxing for Photon Mono 4K resin printer, which I have recently bought, and I thought why not make unboxing of this printer and start documenting the learning process which I will be following in future. Stay tuned for the future updates on 3D resin printing. So let's start moving forward with the beauty shots of the product. Here are all the items. And my brand new handmade turntable, or you can say turn printer. With this turntable and this cover which protects the prints from UV light. I think we are done with our unboxing. Let's meet in next video. Oh wait, I haven't showed you the packaging and stuff. So here is the packaging. The packaging was quite good. So let's carry forward with the cutting and all unboxing thing. Then I will tell you what was inside the box one by one. So keep watching. So first you will see a small box with all the tools and stuffs and some papers for instructions, which I will show you later. And these are the tools and adapters which you have been provided with. And here's the printer, which is totally wrapped in a plastic and foams are quite packed tightly. And this is the top cover, in which you will find the resin vat and the print bed. This is the UV protection cover, and this is the print bed, and this is the resin vat. And in the box we will get some nitrile gloves, some funnels, a plastic scraper, a metal scraper, a pen drive, 4 GB, and an adapter, then some Allen wrenches, then a screen protector, and a mask. This screen protector is the extra. One is already applied on the printer. This is for you to empty your resin vat. And this is the 4 GB pen drive which you get with the printer, and there's a one demo file also which is provided in this pen drive. These are the starting kit which you will be basically needing for starting your first resin printing. And I will be uploading videos for my resin printing journey, and I will be soon uploading a video for my first resin print. So stay tuned for that video. Keep a note of this thing, that there is a small protective film which is applied on that print bed. And these are the instruction manuals, which I will be explaining in details in my next video on this 3D printer. So stay tuned for the videos, and I hope you like it. I have tried small unboxing video. It is not an unboxing channel, but here is my first resin 3D printer. And one more thing, these are the packaging stuffs which I have repacked and put it somewhere. See you soon in the next video. Thanks for watching the full video.